Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if your two finger scrolling is not working on your Windows 11 laptop. In this video, let's fix this. So the first method you can try is check your touchpad settings. So click on this search box and after that type touchpad settings and you will get this result. Click on it, touchpad setting. So this will show you the settings of your touchpad. Now you have to check this option, scroll and zoom, and here you have to tick both the options, drag two fingers to scroll and the second one pinch to zoom. So tick both the options, this will fix the issue. One more thing you can do is reset. You can also reset your touchpad settings. I will show you how to do it. At the top you will see this option touchpad. This is the option we need. Now you have to click on this drop down key and here you will see this option, reset touchpad settings and gesture to defaults. So if you click on this reset option, this will reset all the settings to the default. So this is the first method you can try to fix this issue. Now move on to the method 2. You can try, scroll down and click on this option, more touchpad settings. Click on it and this will show you this kind of window. Now you have to click on the second tab, pointers. Now you have to click on this option, use default. So this will default all the settings. Click on apply, then click on OK. Now move on to the next method you can try. So first cut this window. In the next method you have to update your touchpad driver. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. So this will show you all the drivers you have in your system. Now you have to go to this option, mic and other pointing device, and this will show you your touchpad driver. So click on it and this is the touchpad driver I have. Right click on it. First update your touchpad driver. Click on browse my computer, then click on let me pick from. Now here you have to select the latest driver you have to update. The second method you can try is update your driver automatically. So right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically. So this will also help you to update your driver. The final step you can try is uninstall this touchpad driver. So again right click on it, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. So this will uninstall your touchpad driver. After that restart your laptop and this will automatically reinstall your touchpad driver and fix the issue. So these are the three methods you can apply